MTV, welcome to this script tour. Today we're in Page, Arizona. So there's the door. There's a fire escape plan, fancy. You go in the bathroom. There's tissues right there. How cute. There's another mirror. Oh, hair dryer, cool light, towels, soap. There be the tub with the shower. If you go over there, we got a chair. We got a bed. This mirror, I think, opens up. I haven't tested it yet. Oh, done, done, done. If you want to do ironing, that's pretty neat. I got a fridge full of sparkling water. We got another mirror, a microwave. Howdy. If you look out the mirror or window, wow. There is a pool that is empty. How neat is that? There's the view. Nicer view than yesterday's. And then, oh yeah, story time. So, yesterday I clocked in, and not clocked in, I walked in and was like, yo, do you guys have any rooms? And they were like, no, but we can open one up. So the guy had to walk to my room. So I got like a guided tour to my room. How neat is that? I think that's pretty neat. All right, peace out. Have a good day. All right, looking back to that story time. More details to that story time, yo. So like the guy walked me up to the room, but then he went in the room with me and like stayed in the room for like a fat minute and like gave me a tour of the room, then was like, yo, I gotta turn the air conditioning on. Then I was like, this is weird. All right. Like it was 3 a.m. I was a teenage girl by myself. Felt pretty uncomfy, but like everything was chill. But that was a kind of weird sitch.